Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell from the title of the video, we are going to be doing some unboxing. So this bag I got from Paris and it is a beautiful bag. I had been eyeing on this and I wanted to try it, but I couldn't find it in India, so I went to Paris this time and I was luckily able to get my hand on this. And the fact that it is cheaper in Paris, it made the wait even more worthwhile. So let's get started with the unboxing. It's not a basic bag, but it is definitely going to fit your essentials. You can use it as a party bag or an everyday bag. So let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, so let's get started with the unboxing. So as you can see, this is the new packing from Louis Vuitton, and it again came beautifully wrapped in this box. Okay. Ta-da-ta-da. The bag is beautiful. It comes with this chain that is detachable. You can detach it, and it also comes with this strap that you can attach and use it as a crossbody bag, but for an evening look you can use it like this. So if you look closely, you can see the beautiful LV engraved. This is how the hardware looks, and you have to press here to open it. So this is the bag right here. As you can see, it is beautifully constructed, and this is the back of the bag. You can see closely the hardware is beautiful, and these detailings on the trimming. It's beautiful, and the fact that it is darker in tone, it also goes with one of the shoes that I have from Louis Vuitton. And this is the inside. It has no pocket anywhere. The compartment is open, but the reason I bought this is because it fits a lot of stuff in comparison to other clutch bags that it has. So I'm going to show you what all I can fit in here. So number one thing that we all want to fit in our bag is our phone. And the reason I chose this bag is because it fits the phone and still has a lot of space. Now when I'm traveling, I do carry my camera also. This is Insta360. So consider it as your second phone if you don't carry your camera. So this also fits inside nicely. I've put till now, and now I am going to also put my cream in it, my headphones, perfume or a lipstick, pen because I like to note down things. I could also fit in a small notepad, but I'm not having it right now. This is a lipstick, and these are my sunglasses. So these all fit, and you can still fit in few nicks and knacks there. So this is closing very easily, convenient, and you can easily take it along with you. So now I'm going to attach the strap with it and show you some mod shots for it. So when I wear it casually, like taking it to a date, taking it to mall, or maybe if I'm going for lunch, I try to remove the chain because it makes it more edgy and dressy, and if I don't want to do that, I will remove it. But if I'm wearing a dress or something, I do add it and remove the strap instead. But you can always keep both of them together. For your reference, I am 5'8" and this is sitting just below my navel or towards the end of my waist. And this is how it looks from the side. It is really comfortable, and yes, it comes with these holes. You can always shorten the strap length according to your height, so it is adjustable, which is one of the features it has. And of course, carrying a bag crossbody makes it easier because your hands are free rather than carrying a clutch or maybe holding a bag in your hand. So I prefer having bags with crossbody handles all the time. So if you like the bag and the features it has, because it is not a usual shape you find in a bag. It is a cylindrical shape. You know, it really lights up your outfit also. As you can see, I'm just wearing basic colors, basic sweater, and I'm wearing my Dior sandals. So this is going perfectly with this look. Neutrals and this bag goes very well, and it is really, you know, enhancing the look of the outfit. So I love it. And if you want, you can remove the strap, chain strap. So this will also reduce the weight of the bag, because this chain strap is not very heavy, but yet it is heavy and it does make some noise also. So if you do not want that, you can always, you know, consider wearing it without it. So that is it, guys. Let me know how you like this bag, and if you have any more questions that you want to know about this one, and if you want me to answer, drop them in the question box below and I will be happy to answer it for you. And until next time, stay stylish and bye bye.